Hello, hello, come and see. Colors of Africa, 1, 2, 3. Sing with me and point around. Lots of colors can be found.
Hey, hey.
Can you see the color bright?
Yes, we can.
Point to the sun shining high.
Yellow.
Sing it loud and point up high. Yellow.
Sing and point, sing and point.
Colors all around. Sing and point, sing and point.
Africa colors found.
Can you see the tree so tall?
Yes, we can.
Point to the grass on the ground.
Down there. It's amazing.
Sing it loud and point down low.
Sing and point,
Sing and point. Colors all around. Sing and point, sing and point.
Africa colors found.
Can you see the sky so wide?
Yes, we can.
Point to the sky way up high.
Blue.
Sing it loud and point again.
Blue.
Can you see the color strong?
Yes, we can.
Point to the clay and beads. Red.
Red.
Sing it loud and point with pride.
Red.
Can you see the clouds so light?
Yes, we can.
Point to clouds floating by.
White.
Sing it soft and point again.
White.
Sing and point, sing and point. Colors big and bright. Sing and point, sing and point. Africa bright.